Everybody, today on Simply Mercy B, we're getting a little crafty. Today I'm going to show you how I designed this crate that I picked up from Michael's, and we're going to be using some Dollar Tree items to make it kindergartner friendly, for the preschoolers. Also, once we're done, we're going to fill it with school supplies that's going to get them ready to go back to school. Let's get started. I start by removing the stickers and measuring them to fit the slats. Now I place the stickers on the slats, spacing them according to your liking. Once you get the first row done, use that as a guide to complete the remainder of your stickers. See how our stickers have rolled up? No worries, we can fix that. We're just going to be using podge today, which acts as a glue and a sealer. And today we're going to be using glossy. Would need a total of 2 coats, but please let it dry between coats so you can have an even finish. I'm going to further custom my crate by adding my client's initial to the crate. And he really enjoys sports, so we got some sports stickers that we're going to add to the letter Z. And we're also going to add 2 coats of the podge. Remember, it acts as a glue and a sealer. And we're going to attach this to our crate. I have a large football sticker that I'm going to add to one side, and then I have a large basketball sticker that I'm going to add to the other side. I'm going to put Mod Podge over the whole side so that we can seal it on there so that it won't move. And don't worry guys, it dries clear. Here's our finished product. It's almost finished drying, but look how beautiful that looks. We've already centered our Z, and there's our football, and as you can see, it's still drying. It's almost complete. But check a look at those alphabets. How nice is that? Give it a try. The items that we will be placing in our crate for our kindergartner. So when you're putting a basket together, you kind of like messing around. You don't know really where you're going with it. Just see how things are going to fit in there. So I like to start by placing all my large items in, and once I get my large items placed, then I can place everything else around in nooks and crannies of the basket. As you can see, I am switching things around to make them fit perfectly according to my style. There's no right or wrong way. Just make sure you get everything in there nice and tight. Add some paper shreds and you're all done. And here's our finished product. Our little guy is ready for his kindergarten debut. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed watching me putting this basket together from start to finish, as far as designing the crate and also stuffing the basket with kindergarten supplies. I ask you to please subscribe, like, share, and leave me a comment. And until next time, have a beautiful day.